In this video, let's see how to deactivate or deactivate and delete multiple enrollees from a class. Go to the Classes page. In the Enrollment Period drop-down, select the enrollment period. Choose the program. Then the class. Select each enrollee that needs to be removed from the class. Click the Reassign button at the top of the list. Select Unassigned List. Click the Select All button to select all enrollees in the list. Click the Remove button. Choose Deactivate from the drop-down menu. This will deactivate the enrollment while leaving it on the account for historical purposes. Click Deactivate to confirm the action. Select Deactivate Anyway to confirm deactivation of selected enrollments. You may need to refresh the page. Or select Deactivate and Delete to completely delete the enrollment. Click Deactivate and Delete. Select Deactivate and Delete Anyway to confirm deletion.